So in order to get the app onto the Kindle, you can use the Android App Store to download it. But if that's not available to you, then the other way would be we can send you an email link, and this is the link, and then what you'll do is open this and download it. I've already done that. You to download this file, and it'll wind up in your documents. Now Windows 10, that little file folder is the documents. So I'm opening this and going into documents on this PC. There's documents up here, but you want to go on this PC, documents. The one I'm using in particular, you can see there's several in here, emessage app, is the one that came through on March 13 of 19. That was the most recent update, so that's the one I'll be using. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to copy it. Alright, now I've got it copied. Now, because we're doing it this way, I need to hook the Kindle into the computer. So I'll take the charger and use the USB connection to my computer. There we go. So I'm hooking the USB in. Now, once the USB is hooked up, the Kindle Fire should show up on this PC. Alright? So I'm clicking into Fire, which will bring us to, if you see this, that means you're hooked up. Double click on the internal storage. It'll bring up all the files in your Kindle, and you want to go to download. I like to left click to highlight it and then right click to paste. Now at this point, that's why you needed to change that security function. It would not let you download if you hadn't done that. Alright, so now we'll go to the Kindle. It should only take a couple seconds to transfer that data. Can you see, is there any reflection?
A little bit.
I'll set it down then. Alright, so on the Kindle you go into your docs, open docs, and they still want you to register. You're not on Send to Kindle, you're not on cloud, you're on local storage. So you'll click on local storage, and it's a download, so we'll click into downloads, and there it is, emessage app with the correct date. So I just click on that. It'll ask me down here if I want to install that. Click install. And it'll say done. The file size is 18 megabytes, so it shouldn't take that long. And then down on the bottom of the screen says open. I'm going to open that. And you'll notice right away that it says not connected, no connection. This is your emessage software. It's got four tabs on the bottom here. Right now we're in the main panel. What we want to do is go to settings and emessage. We're going to open the settings, and then we're going to want to enter that IP address that we got a few minutes ago. So I'm going to tap here. It's going to bring that up, and the IP address here is 10.122.1.105. Just going to double check that, make sure I got it right. 10.122.105. When you get that done, it automatically connected. You notice I didn't have to push enter or anything, and now it says connected. So this one's ready to go. So I'm going to go back to the main panel. This already has some names loaded. You're going to want to load your own names. And in order to do that, you'll go to either employees page, and you can add or delete employees. I can take this one here and slide it sideways and delete, and that employee's gone. So I'll go through how to enter employees, colors, sounds, and then what we call expressions, which are the messages you want to send to your team members on here. Okay, perfect. One down. Now the average office probably is going to need 10 to 12 message box Kindles, so this has to be repeated 10 to 12 times. Okay.